Frustrated by the c2r32 DLL error causing Office Click to Run 32-bit to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. While we cover the technical fix for c2r32, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the c2r32, the click-to-run c2r 32-bit orchestration library. It manages the unmanaged background localized streaming of Microsoft Office updates and facilitates the localized file virtualization data link for Office 365. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Nsight Visual Studio Edition 2019 $4 monitor common injection time with 64 DOS nvlog functions as a core component of your graphics or audio runtime. To fix this, perform a clean installation of the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX support, and update your graphics drivers if the file is part of a hardware-accelerated framework. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the c2r32 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Keep in mind that Nsight Visual Studio Edition 2019 4 monitor common injection 64 nvlog DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references c2r32 configuration concepts. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for c2r32 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.